Mommy's World for you and me. Lots of happiness to all of you. I hope each one of you have enjoyed your festival. You have had great time with your family. In fact, we are able to travel now. So I hope many of you have traveled to the places you were willing to and had created memories. This way, we enjoyed a lot. Why? Because we were packed completely, house arrested for 2 years, almost 2 years. And now there were few movies which came, and there were few reasons to go out with families. Birthdays, parties definitely were supposed to be enjoyed inside. But yes, after this Diwali, I could see that there were many people who were going out and were having fun time with the family, and this was really good to see. Indeed, a time where you created some memories for your lifetime. The light of Diwali, the shine of the stars, and the warmth and love of the family was the best thing has happened this Diwali. Am I right? In fact, we were super happy that we gave a one Friday gap for our Instagram live series so that we all can have the great fun, and really do not wanted to miss you this period with family. And so yes, I had great time. You definitely had some amazing time, and we're back again with our another guest for today. Today, hello everyone. Thank you all for joining. So today we are meeting with one of them. She is someone who started her journey as a teacher, and now you will say that we already had few people in the past who started their journey from the job, and then they shifted to their entrepreneurship. But you know what happens? There's this plunge is not something that you just decide, decode, and join in just in a second. You have to work upon it for months, for years. You have to give your days and nights, and then only you can start this journey. Entrepreneurship is definitely fruitful, but only if you can give it some amazing time. Good to see you guys, Anita, Aparna, Shama, Bharviji, and Shweta. I hope you all had great fun. So today we are meeting with the founder of Tara Fashions. Tara Fashions, indeed, very appealing name, and I'm very sure that all of you want to know what is Tara Fashions. And the founder Ruchita Sahani has some amazing, story to share. So let's not take much of your time and ask her to how she started and how she is doing now, which were the obstacles she cleared, and how she is going amazing here she is. Hi Ruchita, how are you?
Hello, Shaluji. I'm very fine, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to come and face the members. And like, this is what I am today. So, I am here to share my experience and little ups and downs. So, I'm looking forward. So, those who are watching me, thank you so much, everybody. And so, should we start?
Yeah, but before that, I want to know a few things. I assume that you're a part of Mommy's World WhatsApp member since long now, and you have never been so vocal. So when you contacted me that you want to be part of Instagram Live series, I, in fact, to be very honest, did not knew that you're a part of WhatsApp group. Then I saw your number, and definitely then we proceeded. So you were an entrepreneur already when you joined Mommy's World, and how this journey started. We'll start from there.
Okay.
When you joined the group.
Okay. I joined Mommy's World in the year 2015, and where that time my baby born. So I joined that time, and I was very much into this group. I was a silent viewer. Sometime I used to message for suggestions, and I used to give suggestions. And then from starting, I was in the field of education. So I am a teacher. I was in fact a teacher, and now I jumped to an entrepreneur with lots of thinking in my mind. Okay, I will be sharing each and everything now. So this is where I have started with my career as a teacher. Then I progressed and I became a coordinator of the school, where I have given my the creativity, the things to the organization. It was appreciated by CBSE board also, so I was honored with that. So that was my that was my the journey for the education. And then from starting, I have an interest in designing. Okay, like when I was a teacher, I used to design so many things, creating the worksheets, doing this, then creating the banners and all. And from childhood, I have an interest and passion in designing. So that passion gave me an opportunity, and that passion gave me a push that no, now it's a time when you have to jump and show your creativity to others, which will benefit to others. So then I thought of taking this step. Then I discussed with my husband, and when he gave a pat that go ahead, I am with you. So I got in confidence that chalo kuch bhi ho jaye, my family is with me. So I started designing jewelries. Okay, then I started designing jewelries, then clothes. And my this venture, Tara's Fashion, is only 2 months old. I recently started this. Recently,
Okay.
before Diwali, I just planned everything. We have a small manufacturing unit where we are doing all these products. So I will be
Yeah.
showcasing it slowly, slowly. So this
Yeah.
was a little bit about my journey to step into it. So that was one.
This looks like a film, because what happens that something comes in mind. Yes, you already have your passion. Second thing, you said your family started supporting when your husband said, "Okay, fine, go ahead." That's one line actually, gives you the courage what you want. Then your life partners with you. Same when we say, doesn't matter who is starting a business or who is taking this plunge into an entrepreneurship, be it a man, be it a man. If your partner is with you, so that one thing works great for you. But hearing this like 2 months old, I mean, I thought, yes, you told me that you are new to Instagram and you were learning about everything. So I thought you have been designing and doing a lot of things. And when I spoke today and you were saying that you're busy with the orders, this really, it's so good to hear that, Ruchita. Like in 2 months, you have made, yourself, at least you're standing somewhere that you can count yourself as an entrepreneur. That's a motivation for many people.
I know
So,
exactly. For us, like I have a passion of designing the jewelries and clothes. But what I have seen is like we people like get very less opportunity to showcase our thing. So I would
hmm,
really thankful to you, Shaluji, that this platform, Mommy's World, where I was a silent viewer, and I was from 2000, I was in your group from 2015, and then I thought, why not take this opportunity, your group opportunity, and why not approach you for my startup. So this is the first, like I am starting with everything from your platform, and your platform has given me a really good success. That is the thing where today I am. Within 2 months, it's like floating of the orders, everything goes to you. That's the motivation, the way you have told me that no, you can do it. Then yeah, I am new new to the Instagram because I was so much into my education part. I was dedicated to my field. So to time ही नहीं होता था for Facebook, for this, only WhatsApp and my work. Now I am coming, I'm learning so many things. So like it's really thankful to you, Shaluji, for giving this platform. And I would really say to everybody, if you have some desire, if you have some passion, please approach Shaluji. So you will be getting a platform. So you will be getting a platform to showcase your product. So this what I believe.
I'm smiling ear to ear, Ruchita, because I had no idea that, first of all, really had no idea you were there in 2015. I mean, the journey when I started, so many moms connected. But there are still 700 to 800 only in MW extensions. So, of course, it's not easy to remember each and everything because not everyone comes to you and send you a message over DM. So, yes, but okay, whenever who comes and talks, and I'm there to help. But 2 months old, and the name itself sounds like you are already not, the aspiring one, you're already established one. And when you say that you've been designing, so you were designing for someone else also before you started your venture, for friends or someone. You designed something
No,
before
no,
that?
no. No, no, nothing. It was all about for me. Like I am into, I have a keen interest in the creativity, designing of the anything. Like I used to do for my school work. So from there, I got a passion. So even my mom is a very good designer. So again, it comes from the hereditary. So that seeing, I got an interest of designing. So I'll show you one product which I have designed that, and it is being made in my manufacturing unit. So these all interest I got in seeing, then showing the creative work for my organization. So from there, I thought that why not take this opportunity and jump into a field where at least my passion can be forwarded to the people, and it will be like Tara's passion. Tara's passion is not only the it's not only the venture, it's like a tagline, fashion for everyone. So it's like everyone should wear it and it should be a dream to them, like, wow, so unique we are wearing. It should not be common something. So that I believe in.
So before you show your products, I would like to know what all you design, only jewelry or clothing, or what metal you use, what kind of jewelry you keep, and wherever you are sending, only India or outside of India, how you are making it. You said you have manufacturing unit there in
Yes.
Bangalore only?
No, it's not in Bangalore. It's in Calcutta. So my basic is Calcutta. So my parents are Bengali. My husband is Punjabi. So we are into
Okay.
different parts. So we are from Maharashtra also and Calcutta also. So we
Okay.
have a manufacturing unit in Calcutta. So normally all the things are manufactured in Calcutta. And designs, it's not all designs which I design, but yes, basically 50% are my designs. So then they do make those. And my products, I can assure you, it's little different from the market one because my products are on entirely on brass and metal. And the brass and the metals are very of the high quality, which is being fined, which we first fine it off, brush it off, and then we
Okay.
and everything is
Okay.
handcrafted. We don't do
Hmm.
in the machine. It's all handcrafted with hand fitted. So that is the difference from the market and my stuff. So that is one. And
So
everything.
no, just a second. I guess the major difference what everybody will face here, I'm very sorry to cut in between, but when you are getting a product from a manufacturer and from a reseller to reseller to reseller, that makes a difference. So that also means that you are opening doors for vendors who can take stuff from you and do the reselling, right?
Exactly. Even I have started today only someone approached me to be a reseller. I said, why not? Even if you have a dream, I'll give you my products. And she said that, Ruchita, your products are very unique, which normally we have not seen like this. So it's like pocket friendly. And I
Mm.
believe that everyone should wear an unique product, which affords the pocket, because seeing the situation, I don't want to charge something, okay, wow. No, not that. It should be, oh, wow, and it's amazing product. So I believe in that. So it's all pocket friendly, it's all affordable, and the durability of the product is also awesome, that I can guarantee, because I believe in that. So that is one.
So the products you said are only jewelry right now and not clothing, right?
No, I am into clothing also. I am into clothing also because my family is into clothing also. So we deal with saris, we deal with kurtis, we deal with every clothing parts, and even fashion accessories are the purses where, like for example, Bhutans and other places, the women's they normally do with the hand. So my
Okay.
products will be all handcrafted and hand woven. So it will not be in the machine product. Entire part will be for the hand part. So that is one.
So
So we deal with the
you
clothing also.
you mean to say that you'll be capturing the jewelry parts, the clothing parts, the fashion accessories, everything you want to be in the Tara Fashion, want to be
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah, we have still more plans to come up with many things. So this is today I will disclose. We are into a fashion part of the leather also, because the leather purses, yeah, the leather purses, the leather belts. So these are also in my thinking to get started with an affordable pure leather, which in the market we get it around 10 to 15,000. The same thing you will be getting around 2 to 3,000, which will be a pocket friendly with all patterns, designs, and pure leather. So I am into all that. I am planning to step into that in the process. So more 1 or 2 months it will take me to jump into it.
What whoever is watching right now, I would want you to tag your friends, and even when this live is ended, do tag your friends on the video. This will be on Mommy's World for you and me, so that whoever is willing to start their business with the reselling part, or whoever is, wishes to be an entrepreneur, please connect Tara Fashions with Chita Sahani so that she can help you and give you a platform from where you can start your journey of entrepreneurship. So yes, that's
Exactly.
something I'm really happy to hear, that a chain will be started once you give, opportunity to some other women who, see, there are people who are giving these opportunities. The problem is investment. Right now, after this pandemic, lots of families have faced lots of, ups and downs, and इतने ज़्यादा lows होने के बावजूद बहुत लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but then investment is one thing where they're stuck. So we also have few mompreneurs at NW who have been part of Insta Live series in last few episodes, and they are also helping other vendors, resellers, by giving them their stuff. So you will be the one of kind, because again you're the manufacturer and you'll be giving them the stuff. So hats off to your dream and the vision, Ruchita. People
Thank you.
like you make a world a better place. Why? Because I see myself in you guys. The way I want to see women working and standing for themselves, should have a second income always, because
Exactly.
whatever happens, you never know what happens next moment. So you all should be ready for that. So over to you again. Please say about your product you were saying.
Yeah, and once you said, like just now you said about the investment, and it's like if you have 5,000, if you have 10,000, it's not a
Hmm.
huge amount. It's for someone, it's a really huge amount, and I
Yeah.
appreciate to it. But still, if you have 5,000, if you have 10,000, you can buy a bulk and you can take your profit and sell
Yeah.
it off. So these
Yeah.
products are those where you can have your margin also and go and jump in the market. If you are
Hmm.
investing 5,000 within 10 days, I assure you, you're going to get at least 7 to 8,000 where you can courier it. And yes, my work is global. It's global. So it's not only for the India or particular state or city. It's global. So I started with a
Hmm.
global. So many of the products I have already shipped to US also. So many other parts also. Within this 2 months, I'm really telling you, Shaluji, I have really crossed that imagination what I thought of. I thought, no, this market will not accept me. But it's like oh wow, this is superb. I was like amazed to do such things. So posting in your group, I got so much so many members coming to me, purchasing. They are giving so good reviews, and I was pleased with it. So that's what I believe. So if somebody is desiring to start with the business, I am there to support you. Do not hesitate. Just a WhatsApp or a message, I will be helping you out. So I am there with you.
Wonderful, wonderful. So yes, you can show it now.
Yeah, I'll show the jewelry part for now. Okay, see this. This is a earring. I'll show the complete set. Okay, this is a earring where this is made on a, this is like a Ganpati face. Okay, a Ganpati face made, and these are all high-end kundans. Okay, these kundans, if it comes in the, if it falls also, it's not going to break. These are the kundan used when we go to Tanishq or any other jewelers. So we normally get like this types of kundans. So these are the same kundans with high-end crystal. And if you can see, these are all meenakari work. And let me tell you, these work are being done with hand. This entire part is being made with hand. It's not a machine made. Only the cutting of the circle is done with machine, and entire part is made with hand. The grannies, they literally sit and they paint with the brushes, and they just fit the kundans with the hand. So this is the quality, an entire part on metal. And from the back side also you can see a texture of the Ganpati. So this is my first design, which I never wanted to sell off because I feel proud to design this. And these are all beads attached, and every bead is being attached with the fitting over here. So this will never come out. So this is the product and the quality of the product. This is only the earring, and here goes the set, and this is the set. And this can be worn even long and even short. So I have given every option to the set where you can wear in a multiple ways. Somebody likes choker, somebody likes a long. So this is the set. Again, it comes with a Ganpati motor. Okay, these are all handcrafted. These are all handcrafted with, see, the strings. The beads are also attached in between. These are all beads attached in between. From both the side, you will get the same finish. अगर ये घूम भी जाता है, आपको same finish ही मिलेगा. So this is what I thought of doing, and on the string with latkans also. So entire part on the brass, entire part on the brass. So this is the product which I have designed. And there are many products, and these are all pocket friendly in the budget of 500, 600. So it's not at all costly. So these are what I believe in. Second is one earring. This is also on metal. This is also on metal, entire pot on metal. If you just roll it up, ye tootega nahi. So this is the quality. And it's all meenakari work with hand painted. It's all meenakari work with hand painted. So this is the earring. So I keep 3 to 4 types of jewelries. आप पानी पी लीजिए. No, it's after. Yeah, the weather is also not that good actually.
I'm not doing well actually. Okay, no problem.
Okay, so I keep normally 3 to 4 types of jewelries. One is the kundan and the meenakari. Second is the black polish also. अफगानी, ये ब्लैक पॉलिश है. मैं अफगानी भी बताती हूँ, जो पाकिस्तान के साइड से हम मटेरियल मंगवाते हैं, उसको फिट करते हैं. दिस इज ब्लैक पॉलिश. Okay, these are the long jhumkas. Yeah, these are the long जो पसंद करते हैं. This is the black polish, again on metal, entire part on metal. और ये सब fitted है, hand fitted है, ये निकलेगा नहीं. Okay, and these are all in the range of 200, 250. मतलब इतना बड़ा आपको 200, 250 में. So these are the products. आप कैसे भी करो, ये टूटेगा नहीं. So I believe in those. Then I have few in the Afghani also. Same, but with glass finish. I'm sorry, I'm not sitting with that. Maybe I'll show later. This
No
is
problem.
entirely on Meenakari work with hand painted and crystal. An
Hmm.
entire part on the brass. तो ये finish होती है brass का, and
Hmm.
everything is kundan, hand painted, Meenakari,
So,
everything in one.
this is called this Chandbali, is it?
No, this is not चांद बाली. This is the drop on earrings. नहीं, चांद बाली होता है जो चांद के जैसे होता है with a
Okay, okay,
tackle over here. उसको चांद
okay.
बाली. This is the normal earrings. Entirely
Hmm.
on brass. So this is for 450. So यही सब हम pantaloon, shopper stop, brand like जाते हैं तो we get it in 1,000, 1,500. ये बस manufacturing price है जिसमें बना है. So I only take, like normally I quote only the manufacturing price, nothing more than that. Because I don't believe in keeping the margin and doing some profit. I don't believe in that. It should be delivered to a person with a dream. Ki are wah, mera dream is on her ears. So that is my thing. So I
Because
believe in that.
कमेंट्स आपके लिए बड़े अच्छे अच्छे आ रहे हैं, मस्त है, लवली,
Beautiful.
वाह,
Thank you.
या so
Thank
many
you so
people.
much, everyone.
The best part of mommy's world, I tell you, is that every woman we have is so supporting. You know, even if the person is doing into the same business, they'll come to you, they'll say that you are really doing fabulous. They're not going to say कि यार मेरे जैसा ही बिजनेस कर रही है, सेम वो भी रख रहे हैं इयरिंग्स, यार उन्होंने भी रखे हुए, नहीं हम लोग. The best part is because the tagline says it, nobody is insulted. It has never
Exactly.
happened and it will never happen. So I'm so proud of all the MW family members that, like you said, that you are there to support. I assure you that whomsoever will come to you will spread the word without even you asking for it. Because we all believe in empowering each other. We are already empowered, but yes, support is something everybody looks for. So yes, okay. You are based in Bangalore, you said.
Yes, right now I am based in Bangalore. I was in Maharashtra. I shifted last month, so I am based in Bangalore. Now I will be settled in Bangalore itself.
So you'll be there only.
I will
And
be settled.
you'll be shipping across, you're global, you said, out
I
of
am
India as
global.
well. Okay,
Yes, I am global.
okay. And what the journey has been like in these 2 months of your business? How was the approach? How did you approach new customers? How did you tell them? Because Instagram, I guess, you've recently started, you were asking me, I don't know how to start and all that stuff. And I told you, I'm there, don't worry. तो ये कैसे चल रहा था, कैसे पहुंच रहे थे सबके पास मैसेजेस कि मेरा तारा फैशन लाइव है?
ये सब शुरू हुआ है लाइक अक्टूबर दिवाली के पहले मेरे पास ये सब डिजाइन होके आ गया था. देन आई थॉट कि चलिए मैं आपसे अप्रोच करती हूँ. तो मैंने आपको पूछा कि कैसे होता है, डू यू हैव एन लाइव सेशन आपके इसमें, क्योंकि मैं देखती हूँ ग्रुप्स में होता है. सो डू यू हैव एन लाइव सेशन एंड ऑल. यू सेड नो, इट कैन बी डन ओनली इन द सेल पोस्ट. सो आई हैव
Yes.
डन दैट. मुझे आपके प्लेटफॉर्म से आई हैव टेकन दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ग्रो सो मच. तो अभी मुझे जो
So
आपके
this I'm sorry again. This is your debut at MW that you are showcasing your stuff, talking about Tara Fashion. So this will be your first video because on MWFB we do not allow any videos. We do not give a timeline so that you showcase your stuff and say, okay, we are selling this. No, we do not want that because we want to talk to you exclusively and listen to you.
Exactly. So, normally that only I asked you, then you said that no, we just do the sale post and also I thought why not take this opportunity, because even my many relatives are there in the group. So my half of the family is there in your group. So and half of the family is there. So I took this opportunity. फिर मैं sale post करती रही and I got the contacts and then I started, like they gave an order, फिर वो dispatch होता रहा, then फिर वो ना एक family सा बन गया है with the customers also. Now I feel proud that even they are my family. दिवाली में हर किसी ने मुझे wish किया, I wish them, I call them. मुझे इतने अच्छे reviews मिले हैं. So I was like, I got busy into all these things only because of you and because of your platform. So like this it's going. और फिर मेरा Facebook page and then my Insta page, which is in my family groups also, it's been circulated. Through there, I get the orders, and as per the orders, I do the dispatch on the same day. on the same
Okay.
day. And
So
and
whichever the pieces you do not have right now, you said you are not having it with you. To post it on your page so that people can see it and you can share it with
yes.
MW family.
Yes, and if somebody sends me, like, I got a link, I don't know from where the lady came, and she pinned me up and that I need all these products. I said definitely give me 10 days time. I will be delivering you. So she's like, I have so many products to be ordered. So can you just help me? I said definitely, why not? So she gave me the picture of the product. I pass it on to my manufacturing unit. They are like, we will be doing it. Just give us 10 to 12 days. Exactly what she gave, it will be delivered to her. So this way we proceed. So if somebody is telling that I need this particular design, we do it. We do that, and normally what is being made in our manufacturing, we keep on posting that. So if we get some order, we directly courier them from there, or it comes to me, I courier it from here. So that way we
रुचिता,
go.
अभी कैसा हो गया ना कि अभी तुमने नर्व पकड़ ली है बिजनेस की. Customization और personalization makes your business authentic and unique. तो अभी ये जैसा आप बोल रहे हो कि उनको कैसा चाहिए था, दैट इज कॉल्ड कस्टमाइजेशन. और आप उनको पर्सनलाइज करके दे रहे हो चीजें, सो दैट इज वन थिंग यू विल बी ऑलवेज 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 हैविंग, you know, brand buyers with you. These guys will always want something you to make the way they want so that they can order. One question has come in between when you were talking. Rupa is asking, will you be showing sarees as well?
Today I will not be showing saris because normally what all I have stuffs, it's all been sold out. So the dresses and saris, maybe she can pin me up or you can pin me up so I can show you through the picture also. Because what all stuff I had, it's all been sold off. But normally we deal with Kanjivaram, then the South patterns, whatever the Maharashtra patterns with different state patterns. We do keep all these stuffs and even the dresses also.
Wonderful. That's
Dresses,
wonderful.
yeah. And that too, I'll tell you, Shaluji, the Kanjivaram normally comes in South. Bangalore में जब खरीदने जाओ कांजीवरम आता है, it's around, अगर high quality का आप देखोगे तो वो आएगा 20 to 25, मतलब around 18 plus. But over here, when I give it, you just test the product. I'll show you the sample also how to test it. Not today, maybe sometime later. You normally will get it in 10, 12 or lesser than that. So वही product आपको मिलेगा थोड़ा कम range में, the manufacturing price. It will not be exceed to that. So that is the thing.
Read, there is a comment for you. Read it.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'll keep my eye on your wow, that's amazing. Sure, definitely. Definitely.
So,
And I will be there to help you out. Even this is designed by me, what I am wearing. वो evil eye का जो होता है, but I don't want it in a वो particular bluish में कि किसी को समझे अरे ये नजर के लिए पहना है नहीं. So I created in a different pattern. Everything is on metal. कैसे भी करो टूटेगा नहीं. So I believe in something different and something unique. ऐसा मतलब जो पहनो ना तो सबको नजर आए अरे वाह क्या पहना है ऐसा. So I feel in that.
if you remember, Ruchita, the first time when
Thank you.
you showed me some of your stuff. Initially, when you showed me some of your stuff, my first line was, Ruchita, where were you? Like, I remember I appreciated the kind of stuff you have. I must tell you, the pictures, what, I guess I saw you just post, you had posted on Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe something. जो स्टफ की बात आप कर रहे हो वो स्टफ एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही है, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन दैट. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू नाउ, फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड इन दिस लाइफ, आपके तारा फैशन पर जितनी भी आप अपनी पोस्टिंग कर सकते हैं करिए, बिकॉज फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड पीपल विल बी लुकिंग एट योर पेज on both of the pages. So as many posting you can share because your stuff is unique and customized product. So I guess that will be a boon for you. Coming days in New Year also, we will come to know that we work on brand dominion also, where we choose only 4 mompreneurs. We'll come to know about this sooner or later when we announce. But yes, Tara Fashions, if whatever making, not only jewelry, you should put everything on your page so that your nice necklace, somebody saying,
नाइस नेकलेस, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। और रूप सिंह कह रहे हैं कि नजर का पेन रखा है। थैंक यू। ये तो मैंने साड़ी के साथ मैच करके पहना है, इट वाज नॉट इंटेंशनली, आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ वेयरिंग दिस, सो आई फॉरगॉट टू शो यू दैट टाइम। अभी याद आया जब हाथ दिया तो याद आया।
नहीं, मैं
एंड
देख रही थी जब से लाइव स्टार्ट हुआ है, आई वाज नोटिसिंग इट एंड
अच्छा।
आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर यू टू टेल मी कि ये मैंने ही डिजाइन किया है, दैट इज मेड बाय विकी।
हाँ, ये भी मैंने ही डिजाइन किया है। मैं बोलना भूल गई, वो इतनी एक्साइटमेंट है ना कि अरे ये भी बताऊं वो भी बताऊं, तो उस एक्साइटमेंट में वो रह गया है ऐसा। और एक चीज बताती हूँ, मैंने बीच में पोस्ट किया था कुछ ऐसे सॉरी, कुछ ऐसे
कॉल आ रहा है आपको?
साइड हो गए वहां पर, जो हम वेस्टर्न नेकलेस देखते हैं ना ऐसे चेन के साथ पेंडेंट, दोज वी नॉर्मली गेट इट इन 700 800, दोज like I have only in 100 and 120, so an entire part is on brass and metal, तो मतलब वो फाइबर
हम्म।
प्लास्टिक नहीं है। आई ऑल्सो डू दैट, सो ये सारी चीजें जो होती है ना, ये पॉकेट फ्रेंडली की आप लोगों को भी
हम्म।
अच्छा लगे पहन के वेस्टर्न, चलो पहनो और निकल पड़ो, ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए जो मजा भी आए पहनने के लिए। सो आई डू
Your
हैव
phone is
दोज
constant.
ऑल्सो।
Your phone is constant ringing. Somebody is trying to reach you for biggest order, I believe.
ऑर्डर, आप सही बोला, ऑर्डर्स ही आ रहा था, द पेमेंट्स आर कमिंग इन तो
That's good. So you actually having happy Diwali.
so it's like normally, and they are so super fast कि नहीं, you show me this and instantly वो हो जाता, because the products are so fast selling products, इतने सारे लोग होते हैं, we keep on sharing the products, तो किसी को ये पसंद आता, किसी को वो आता, instantly booking हो जाता है। and normally I keep free shipping because from Bangalore the shipping prices are too high, तो अगर मुझे यहाँ से बॉम्बे भेजना है, मैं डीटीटीसी से ही डील करती हूँ, कोरियर पार्टनर डीटीटीसी ही है एंड ब्लू डार्ट। So from here, from Bangalore to Bombay, if you need some product, so I will be taking, like, it will be charged 260 from
Hmm.
Bangalore to Bombay. But what I do, entire part is on me. I don't take any of the money from the customers. Like, it should not be burden for them. ऐसा। So normally I do the pack, the courier also, the charges is on me ऐसा। Sometime अगर कम है, like it's 100 or 200, then you have to pay 50 or 60, or more than half I pay it, so it's vice versa ऐसा।
You don't tell me that you have started business recently. The tactics, the things what you are telling me, ये सब जो मंझे हुए entrepreneurs होते हैं ना वो करते हैं, because there they know how to pull customer, how to tell them, give them nice offers. तो ये जो तुमने स्टार्ट किया है and you are going long way, mark my words today, Ruchita, you
Thank you।
are the way we started life since then till now, अभी तक तुम्हारा वो जो टोन चल रहा है ना वो सेम चल रहा है, that enthusiasm I can feel. So you are so happy with your venture. I really wish you all the best for your venture.
Thank you so much. And this is, trust me, this is only 2 months old. 2 months bhi nahi, I started in the month of September end. So it's not all 2 months also. So September end se leke ab tak. And I resigned my organization because I don't want to be biased with them. Like I'm with them also in doing so. It's not safe. It's not good also. So I resigned and I just jump over here. So I was working as a coordinator. So now I resign and I jump to the full fledged into the entrepreneur part. So this is what.
Welcome, welcome to the world of dreams, and you are fulfilling your dreams. Shweta Kha rightly said, many more orders on your way.
Thank you so much. And somebody saying best wishes to your, definitely it's going to rise high. Thank you for your lovely wishes. And you all are family to me. So if you all don't buy also, it's absolutely fine. At least you are with me. You are supporting me. That's the enough for me. Buying is not always the चीज कि अरे चलो हम बात कर रहे हैं तो हमको खरीदना है. This is not the solution. Be with the person, support. हाँ, आप आइडिया
Yes.
शेयर करो, वी वर्क टुगेदर, दैट इज द थिंग वेयर आई एम इनटू, आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन कि हाँ, अरे आप कुछ डिजाइन बता रहे हो मेरे लिए अच्छा है, बताओ, हम चलते हम काम करते हैं, let's walk together. So that is what I really want to help the people who are really stagging up with many small things. So if I can support them and make them and go some reach some way, I will be really very proud of that. So I am doing that.
Fingers crossed.
Finger crossed,
Fingers.
true. And your enthusiasm chala ja raha hai upar. It's
Because
overwhelming.
everybody is wishing you so good,
So
Ruchita.
good.
I have never seen people constant writing for someone, even if they are friends. I have few people here who always join my life and they know each other very well. These guys do not know who is coming, with whom I'm going to talk today. I am telling you from my own experience that the way you started your life, the way we have reached in half an hour, you are in the same tone, and somebody said your energy is infectious. Like I
Yeah.
said in between that, I see myself in you guys when you guys say that you are doing very good in business. तो यस एमडब्ल्यू तो साथ में है ही, मैं भी साथ में हूँ, पूरी अभी टीम तुम्हारे साथ में चल रही है रुचिता। बहुत
Seriously.
सारी विशेष तुम्हें मिल रही हैं, बहुत सारी फेस्टिवल टाइम है। फिंगर्स क्रॉस, बहुत अच्छे से कीजिए अपना बिजनेस, पोस्टिंग्स
बिल्कुल,
कंटिन्यू रखिए
बिल्कुल।
अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, छा जाओ बस।
थैंक यू सो मच शालू जी, थैंक यू। ये ब्लेसिंग ही बहुत जरूरी है और ये ब्लेसिंग ही लाइक इट्स लाइक लॉन्ग वे टू गो फॉर मी। सो
You will be definitely doing good. All the best to you.
thank you so much, Shaluji, and thank you to entire team, entire member. We all are together. We are a family, and we will be a family. That what I
Yes.
am. Yeah, thank
You
you
take
so
care.
much,
You take care.
everyone. Thank you.
You take care. We'll connect soon again.
Yeah, soon again. Bye, everybody. Bye, Shaluji. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Shaluji.
मुझे बहुत मजा आया आज। आप लोग देख सकते हैं, आई एम नॉट वेल। दिस इज नॉट माई वॉइस, बट द वे रुचिता वॉज टॉकिंग, द वे शी हैज स्टार्टेड हर जर्नी, एंड द वे शी इज डूइंग इट इज कमेंडेबल। सब लोग उसी एंथुसियाज्म के साथ नहीं कर पाते हैं। बिजनेस का सबसे बड़ा रूल यही है, वंस यू स्टार्ट, डोंट लुक बैक। there will be time that you have to, you'll break, you'll be shattered, बहुत तुम लोग नीचे हो जाओगे, पीछे रह जाओगे, but the important part is never giving up. The important part is keep going, and there's miles to go, miles to go. You will love yourself and the effort when you'll come to see how far you have come. And for that only I always say, Mommy's World for You and Me has been a constant supporter for all the entrepreneurs who really want to do something, who wish to fulfill their dreams. I'm so in love with the energy of Ruchita. I've met her for the first time today. And trust me, guys, if this is the energy we always keep with us and the way we should run our businesses and their families, nothing can stop us. Trust me. I'm into business since last many years, and I really wish to see each one of you do fabulous in your life with your business. Lots of love to you. Happy festivities. We shall meet soon again on coming Friday with one more guest. Till then, stay tuned. Keep loving MW and me. I'm there. Stay in touch. See you on PM. Take care. Bye bye. I love you.